Welcome back to our channel. Sorry for this weird angle. I'm getting gas right now. This vlog is just gonna be the dog days of summer. Just a classic vlog, because I feel like we haven't done a classic vlog of just like me just being around the house, doing my hobbies, doing whatever, just like regular life stuff in so long. Because I've had a lot of themed vlogs, like quiet reading vlog, Missouri vlog, like it's been like months of doing that. So this is gonna be just like a classic, romanticize our life, chill Bella and Cello vlog. Yeah, but also I'm just like, I've been kind of in a downer mood for the last couple days, probably just because I'm tired, but I've just been feeling like burnt out a little bit. Oh, my gas is done. I have to go get a car wash too, then we're gonna go to the pool. Yeah, but back to what I was saying, kind of in a downer mood. Hopefully this vlog will help me just like spark joy. I'm gonna meet Cello at the pool because we were just at work. Yeah, we already worked out this morning, worked like a 6.5 hour shift, and yeah, now I'm gonna go chill at the pool. I'm gonna listen to the Odyssey right now and get the car wash because that's what I'm listening to, my current audiobook. Which, before you start telling me that's cheating or something, the Iliad and the Odyssey were meant to be listened to, okay? So culture yourself. And also reading a mermaid book called Son of the Deep. It's pretty good so far, so I'm gonna be reading that at the pool.
Give way. And how much better it would have been not to set it aside in wicker racks to press for cheese. Never half the map, and so we've come to you. So it must please King Zeus's plotting heart. We're glad to say we're men of Atrides sacred. Zeus will avenge that. Telling me to fear the gods or avoid their wrath. We Cyclops never bar. I'd never spare you in fear of Zeus.
On our plate, even though they're kind of old.
It looked like somebody tried it.
I didn't even know how to. I didn't even know how to say name.
Nombre?
Oh, no, but yeah.
It sounds like number. That's why it gets me thrown off. I'm like,
The number is numero, so that's even closer.
It's done. It's finished.
another
Yay!
head wrap to add to our non-existent Etsy shop.
Right in the heart of, we come from Santa Fe Spring.
Hello, it's Friday and it's also Harry Potter's birthday. So I'm wearing my Hufflepuff Badger outfit. And I'm about to change out these pants, so I wanted to get my fit before I change out. Because obviously brown and gold, I'm pretty sure that's Hufflepuff's colors. If you didn't know, I'm a Hufflepuff. And honestly proud of it, because Hufflepuffs are like the most normal ones, let's be honest. I'm a Ravenclaw, but I can't figure out what to wear. Slytherin are mean, Ravenclaw are pretentious. Hufflepuff are just chilling on our low-key vibes. Yeah, but one could say Hufflepuff are like dumb. So yes, later today we're gonna be leaving. Not very much later, honestly, in like 2 hours. We basically have to be leaving to go babysit, so we're trying to really soak in our 2 hours if we get to. It's also National Avocado Day. And my motto is, an avocado day keeps the doctor away. So, you know what we're having for breakfast? Avocado toast with some eggs. We also have brioche bread, so it's gonna be tasty. Also have been listening to Odyssey all morning.
Pigs. I never go into town unless perhaps wise Penelope.
Look at how beautiful it's looking right now. You're really matching this color.
This is a color movie.
It's color movie.
Wait, am I color moving the ocean?
Yeah.
My mom dress.
I love your mom dress.
It's like Zara.
Yeah. Wait, I want to.
Oh, this is him. This is him. Go, go, go.
What is that? I'm on.
We're on status. This is Mary. She's never been on our vlog before.
Introducing Mary.
Here she is.
Character unlocked. character on
Mary
Lost.
Gallivan
Go watch
and
the
Chuck
Cousin
DeBella.
podcast. She used to be our number one fan. Is she still?
Well, during junior guards.
Today. Just send me the videos.
Okay.
And the water was so warm.
Day in the life as a freshman at Catholic High School.
Put in quotes.
Yeah.
That'll get the people clicking. Yeah. Yeah.
That was probably the 6 months of his life.
Pedal to the metal, think I'm high and when I'm causing trouble. Hate to burst your bubble, I feel weird, I think I'm gonna go.
Good morning. It's Saturday. We just went to confession and are ordering nectar. And they haven't done double points in so long. So we're settling and getting it anyway. And today is the day we see Brand New Day. Yep. I'm wearing my Spiderman earrings. I'm excited. So excited. I already know. Okay, this is one thing I'm already suspecting. Zendaya's not dying. Because if Zendaya was dying, I would know. People would be blowing. People would be like, when you get out of the movie theaters, they would be like crying and stuff. Yeah. Oh, am I getting almond butter? Guys, it's National Happiness Happens Day.
He doesn't know
What does that say?
gonna be here. Whip up something.
Does he know that we're seeing something? Just go with Sasha. Happiness Happens Day. Basically what that means is reverse complaining. So you notice all the stuff that's going right and then you point it out. And it was started by the secret society of happy people or something like that. Yeah, so all day today we're going to be trying to stop, realize what's that's happening, and then point it out. And then
you
say
would
it out
do
loud
when you're complaining.
Yes,
So,
like complaining.
right
but
now,
reverse complaining. Perfect temperature, the sun coming in, but also the air conditioning is on, so I get to be sunbathing, but I'm not sweaty. In this, and the house is super quiet, which on Saturday mornings it can be very overstimulating in our house sometimes. Yeah, because this Saturday morning we are doing peace, or not we, but people are doing chores. What else? I think you have. Change your zip code. Turns out that you're. I'm just happy because I love today. Already went to confession. Now I just get to do my hobbies, and then I get to take a nap, scroll reels, and then go and get dinner and see a movie. It's literally like the perfect day for me. It might as well be my birthday. Also, I have a really cute new watch. And it matches perfectly with this ring. That is not actually a ring, it's a stitch marker. But it's really cute. It matches perfectly with this watch. And a cute new dress. Did we get paid today? nice heart-shaped chicken nugget. I'm ready to go see Spider-Man. Excited.
For you, because this is important. This is your livelihood right here.
Oh, how am I gonna get all of these?
Yeah.
Guess what movie we're gonna see? The Odyssey.
Okay.
Because you couldn't really see. You couldn't really see on my vlog.
This is what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah, no. Okay, why are we gonna do
Because then I
that?
put my little.
Why are we gonna do that? Why are we gonna do that?
Coke Zero is so much better than Coke Diet Coke.
Wasted. V stepped into the crowd.